Hey guys, it's Nina and I'm back with another video. Today's video is about the infamous locking gel and whether you actually need one for your locks. So when strolling through the aisles at Sally or Target or wherever you may shop, you may notice products marked as locking gels. The Jamaican Mango and Lime is the most popular one, but there is a Talia Wajid one and there are a few other brands. And the million-dollar question is, do these products actually lock your hair? And the long answer to that is,
it's a no.
So understand this now and forever. You do not need products to lock your hair. Nothing is going to make your hair lock other than time and neglect. I really don't like to use the word neglect because of the negative connotation, but that's truly what you're doing. You're leaving your hair alone. This is whether you're freeform or you have cultivated locks. I'm not one to advocate for the water-only retwist. I tried that and my hair just gets way too frizzy for that. But it's not the product itself that makes the hair actually lock. If you want healthy locks, err on the side of simplicity. Preferably you want to use something clean, water-soluble, something clear. Definitely stay away from the extra creamy stuff. You want to be able to wash your product out at the end of the day because you should be washing your hair, right? Please keep your thoughts out the gutter, but I'm just showing you the consistency of the products that I use. Palmer's aloe vera formula gel. As you can see, it's nice, it's movable, it has some slip to it. If I'm doing curls, I will use this Originals by Africa's Best. And so as you can see with this, it's nice and movable again, it has some slip. This can easily rinse out with water. Now, I have recently heard of people retwisting with edge control. This edge control is super thick, and if you feel like you need your retwist to be that fresh boo-boo, you ain't gonna have no locks to maintain because you're gonna have to cut them out because they're gonna be all gunky and nasty. But when it comes to locking gel, here's what you need to understand. It's all marketing. People gotta meet their bottom line at the end of the day. If somebody tells you that you need a locking gel, walk the other way, because it's just not true. So let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what products you like to use for your retwists, and I will see you next time.